Hey, this is Mr. Rojas here to help you out this time with the yellow belt for trombone and baritone. For this video, I'm going to play both the trombone and the baritone to help out both of our students that play these two instruments. For the yellow belt songs, I will play one song on trombone and the other song on baritone. Before we get started, let's go over some of our new rhythms for our yellow belt. The new rhythm that we have to go over for our yellow belt is the quarter note, and a quarter note gets only one beat. When we play a quarter note, we want to tap our feet so that way our feet can match up with the beat. Usually when we tap our feet, we are tapping quarter notes, sort of like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be sure to tap your feet as you play along with us for these quarter note rhythms. Let's try an easy quarter note rhythm with the note D on our instrument. For trombones, D is just the fourth slide, and for baritones, D is 1 and 2 on our valves. Let's play along with me together. 1, 2, ready, and. Remember to use the word two to separate all of those notes. When you say the word two, you're able to separate all of those quarter notes correctly. Before we learn our new songs, let's go over the new notes that are in our yellow belt songs. Our first note is E flat. On baritone, E flat is played with only the first valve pressed down. Here is E flat. Notice how the E flat is a little bit higher than our note D. Be sure to use more air so that E flat sounds correctly. Our next note is going to be the note F. And as you remember, when we first started playing our instrument, we used to play a B flat, or we'd play an F if our lips were too tight. To play our F, we're still going to play a B flat with our fingers, but we're going to blow more air and our lips are going to be tighter. Here is F. One more time. For the trombone, our E flat is at third position. As you remember, fourth position is in front of our bell, and third position is behind our bell. Be sure to take a look at my bell to match along with your bell. Here is E flat. The note F is played just like our B flat. Instead, we're going to put a little bit more air into the instrument, and we're going to tighten our lips a little bit more as well so that we can get a higher note. Here is the note F. Here is Song 27, Song of the Fjords on page 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Here is Song 29, Go for Excellence on page 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it for today. Be sure to take your instrument out and play along with this video. The whole purpose of these videos is for you to practice along with me. Be sure to rewind the video so that you can hear what the songs sound like and learn those new rhythms and new notes. That's it for today. We'll see you next time for your orange belt. Until then, happy practicing.